n. Okay, w of n minus 1 is the delay term of w of n. Clear? Already you learned in first unit. Okay, that's why I'm not saying again here. Next, go for y of nth term. Already you know y w of n is value, this w of n minus 1 value is the delay term of w of n. So I'm first realize the equation 5, and this is the equation 5 relation structure of equation 5. Similarly direct form 1. So x of n minus a1 into w of n minus 1. I'm taking w of n minus 1 here. So delay term, I want delay term. So whenever you take z power minus 1, we are getting w of n minus 1 here. For example, if you take a box in z, you take a in box z, that means w of n plus 1. N plus 1 means it should be is an advance, but here w of n is then delay term. We want only delay term, so that's why I'm taking z power of minus 1. Clear? Okay, this is can be easily understood in first unit. Okay, next, w of n is equal to this equation I'm writing. W of n is equal to x of n plus, that should be here minus a1 into w of n minus 1. Okay, this is w of n is equal to x of n minus a1 into w of n minus 1 minus a2 w of n minus 2 and so on, minus a n minus 1 into w of n minus n plus 1 minus a n into w of n minus n, and this is totally relation of equation 5. Similarly equation 6, and this is the equation similar manner. We are getting in this equation 6, we want y of n b0 into w of n b1 into w of n minus 1. Okay, we are getting, and this is the w of n. So whenever you realize, I mean, to delay the w of n is consider the w of n minus 1, and again you delay the w of n term is w of n minus 1. Whenever you taking a delay, z power minus 1 is compulsory. So without z power minus 1, you don't put z power minus 1, you don't write w of n minus 1. Clear? Next, we want y of n. In equation 6 we want y of n, so that's why you take a y of n here output side. So y of n is equal to b0 into w of n plus b1 into w of n minus 1 plus b2 into w of n minus 2 plus and so on, bm minus 1 into w of n minus m plus 1 and plus bm into, this is the mth term, this is the last term, and bm into w of n minus 1. Again you getting this equation only. Okay, whenever you taking this equation, you consider as a relation form like this only, and this is the relation structure of equation 6. Actually what we want, the relation of this equation, I want this equation. So instead of this equation, we are doing in a direct form 2 relations. One is over, and this is direct form 2 relation. Okay, so whenever we are getting like this, okay, here also omega n terms is there, and here also omega n terms is there. So omega n terms are equal to, in this omega n terms of omega n is equal to in this omega n terms. Clear? So both are equal. So instead of 2 times, we are writing only 1 time. So that should be take a less time and less power taking, less power consumption. That means less power consumption and less time, and it can be easily understood for other peoples. Okay, whenever we are getting like this, after getting you club, okay, instead of these 2, I am getting only single relation, and that is here. So this is the omega n and omega n. Okay, just omega n I am giving to the this one. What is y of n? Y of n is nothing but total, complete, is a combination of this term and this term. Okay, we are getting final. So after combination of this one, combined, after combined, instead of these 2 terms, I mean these 2 relations, I am writing only one part, and that is this one. Okay, you observed this diagram and this diagram and this diagram. This is simple, and after these 2 relation, we are giving to the omega n to the this box. this is